Hi, this is Stewart Salwin. I'm a criminal defense attorney in Scottsdale, Arizona, and I wanted to shoot this video to tell you guys about, real quick, a case result that we got for one of our clients in Scottsdale City Court. This is a client who actually had a prior DUI within the 7-year time frame, so she was looking at a second offense DUI, which for a regular second offense DUI, as we discussed in some of our other videos, that has a mandatory minimum sentence of 90 days of jail, and that the best that can be reduced to is 30 days of jail if you complete alcohol screening. So after trial, she was looking at a minimum of 30 days of jail, even if she got 60 of her 90 days suspended. We were able to get her a plea agreement for a reckless driving. So she was able to avoid a DUI completely. And the reason that we were able to get this for this particular client was that there were a number of factors. First of all, the prior DUI was getting a little bit older, and so that was something we were able to negotiate with the prosecutor and say, hey, you know, it's not like she just had this DUI a year ago. This has been a few years, and that was one of the things that we were able to use to try to get leniency on the plea. Second of all, we conducted a thorough investigation of the client's case. We obviously looked at the police report, but also we requested the body cam footage and reviewed what actually happened at the scene of the crime, and we're able to point out to the prosecutor that the client's performance on the field sobriety tests was not as bad as it was indicated by the police report. She did a pretty good job on the field sobriety tests, and also we looked at the BAC results, the blood alcohol content, and because the BAC results, they were over the legal limit, but they were at the lower end of that legal limit, and we were able to argue that because of the inherent margin of error in the blood measurement devices that are used in DUI investigations, that there was an opportunity for us to argue that her BAC was actually below the legal limit if we were to take the case to trial. And so based on all of that, we were able to not have to go to trial on the case, but actually secure a non-DUI plea for that client out of Scottsdale Court. Now, this is, of course, just this particular client's case. Everybody's facts are different, and so this isn't to say that this would happen in any other particular case, or if you have been charged with a DUI, you know, what would happen in your case. Nobody can tell unless you talk to an attorney and we review the evidence that are specific to your case. But I think that this story and this case result is important to keep in mind if you're somebody who's going through a situation like this and you're thinking that your case is hopeless. Well, look, there's always arguments that can be made, and there's always a chance that the right attorney working with you can get you a better result than you would think you could get just based on what's charged. So if you have been charged with a DUI out of Scottsdale or any place else in Arizona, please give my office a call. We offer free consultations, and we'd be happy to talk with you about your case, your particular facts, and what we could potentially do to help you.